Hello everyone, this is Shafiq, your instructor at Udemy. I hope everybody would have enjoyed the first course which I have published in Udemy, which is also about Photoshop. It was just like a crash course where I have built with the essential tools of working in Photoshop. So this is like the continuation of the course where you will get all the remaining features which I haven't discussed in the previous course. So in this course, you are going to learn the other advanced tools which is present and which we can use to work more effectively in Photoshop. So that is why this course is an advanced course which is like a continuation of the previous one. So what we are going to learn out of this course. So this course again has been divided into 5 different parts. Here in the first chapter, in the first lesson, I'm going to discuss about working with image size and resolution. See, various image comes with different resolution. You know what resolution means? Resolution is nothing but the pixels, the width and height, the pixels, which helps the image size as well as its clarity. So in this particular lesson, we are going to learn about how we can change the resolution of a particular image without affecting its pixel or without avoiding the pixelation, how we can able to edit or change the image resolution. Then in the second chapter, we are going to learn about the various image file formats. This is also very important when you work with Photoshop because as you know that there are various image formats available like JPG, PNG, bitmap, okay, and then graphical interchange format, GIF images. So various types of images are available and why each image are used and what are their functions. So all those things we are going to learn in this second chapter. And in the third chapter, we are going to learn about working with documents. Now you will ask why, what is the need of documents here in photo editing option or photo editing tools. See, you might have heard about PDF file. Everybody might be using it now. So PDF file are those files which are the finalized version of an ebook or any document where you can only able to read and you cannot able to edit it. So in case you may want some particular caption or a particular portion of a PDF file which you may need to edit or you may require to edit, okay, then Photoshop is one of the best tool where you can able to modify the existing PDF file or you can collect a collection of images and you can convert it into PDF file. So all these things we are going to learn in this. Even the PPTs which you make, PowerPoint presentations which you make, you can also edit those PowerPoint slides, bring it in your Photoshop and you can convert it into a document format, PDF format. So the conversion of a Photoshop document to a PDF document or editing the PDF document. So all these things we can able to learn in this third chapter. That is what it is called working with document. And in the fourth chapter, we are going to learn about various filters option. This is very essential. A huge, a whole menu is available related to filters and how we can able to use these filter options to modify our image, to make our image or to fine tune our image to make it look a completely different one, a completely enhancing one. So all those things we are going to learn in the fourth chapter, and in the final chapter, fifth chapter, we are going to learn about how to retouch the image and also some miscellaneous topics which we haven't discussed in the previous class or in the previous course. So retouching image is also very useful option, and for that there is a huge demand for all the designers, graphic designers. In case if you have any image, okay, where some error is there or some part of the image is damaged, so if you want to fix it, how we can fix it. So all these things you can able to learn in this fifth chapter. So I hope our journey will be very interesting and And with this course, we will cover these three things together. So one is about you will be able to learn about image resolutions, as I told you already, and also we'll work with filters along with the document automation and PDF editing. So all these topics we will cover through this course. I hope we will have a great journey ahead. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Okay, so kindly enroll in my course, and we will have a great journey together. And after learning this course, don't forget to give your feedbacks. Okay, so let us start our course journey one by one. Okay, completing all the lessons. So thank you guys and stay tuned.